Greetings, College of DuPage community. My name is Officer Huffness. I'm a patrol officer here at the College of DuPage Police Department, and today I'm here to talk to you about our implementation of body-worn cameras. A recent law passed by the state of Illinois mandates that all police departments in the state of Illinois utilize body-worn cameras by the year 2025. Here at the College of DuPage Police Department, we're going to start wearing them as early as this summer in 2024. The cameras that we are going to be wearing are the Axon 3 body-worn cameras, which has the technology designed to capture all audio and video during police interactions. The cameras will be used for recording during various situations, including criminal investigations, criminal-related matters, general calls for service, and even routine traffic stops. You will always be notified verbally at the beginning of every interaction that the cameras are recording. Let's take a traffic stop, for example. It will be the same routine as without the camera, but the officer is going to let you know before you are asked for any identification that you are being audio and visually recorded.
Morning, how you doing? I'm Sergeant Jensen with the College of DuPage Police Department. You are being audio and video recorded. You know why I stopped you today? Did you see the speed limit back there? You were flying. I know, chaparrals can fly. Gave your license and proof of insurance? That's a problem, sir.
The utilization of these cameras is designed to increase not only the transparency throughout our community, but maximize the trust you have in us as the police department and ensure the accountability of each and every one of our officers. If you have any questions about the camera policy or any other questions in general, you can contact us at 630-942-2000 or go to cod.edu and click on the link for the police department. Thank you.